Hello and welcome to this Beat Your Competition online lesson on SEMrush's Notes tool. Students tell us that they want to more easily identify significant data points across the SEMrush toolkits. Fortunately, there's a tool for that. It's called SEMrush Notes, and it's a key but oft overlooked tool within the SEMrush platform. Notes on SEMrush allow you to highlight dates and graphs and charts in certain SEMrush tools and reports with custom information. You can also add and edit your own notes. Additionally, SEMrush automatically adds notes on days with major Google and SEMrush database updates that could affect your rankings. Notes can be found on graphs in the Advertising Research Reports, Organic Research Reports, Backlinks Reports, SEMrush Sensor, Position Tracking, Domain Overview, Site Audit, Backlink Audit, Organic Traffic Insights, and My Reports. We should note several types of notes in SEMrush. Google Organic Algorithm Updates, depicted by the G Google icon. Google Paid Algorithm Updates, depicted by the G Google icon. Unconfirmed Google Updates. These are hidden by default. SEMrush Updates, depicted by a red diamond. My Notes, user-generated and depicted by a red diamond. SEMrush Sensor, depicted by a red diamond. So let's see how it works. Once logged in, let's head to the bottom left of the SEMrush dashboard and under Management, click the Notes link. Remember that notes can be managed with the Notes Management window. From the drop-down in the aforementioned tools, you can add new notes, edit old notes, or open the Management window to view all the notes by clicking View All. In the Notes Management tool, we see hundreds of notes that SEMrush has populated for us. We have 4 options from this screen. We can click the blue Advanced Filter drop-down menu to filter by visibility, category, tool, or project. We can scroll through the list of notes and hide an individual note with the eye icon in the far right column. We can export to CSV files by clicking the Export button on the top right. And finally, we can click the green Add Note button on the top left. There we can add a title, set the date, fill in a description, and optionally choose Advanced Settings, which allows us to show where the note is shown and, if database specific, which database the note is attached to. Now let's show how the notes functions in 2 areas of SEMrush: Position Tracking and Domain Overview. Click the Projects menu from the SEMrush dashboard and select the project we want, in our case Dominoes. Then click the Position Tracking link from the Dominoes project dashboard. With Position Tracking, notes can be added to a specific campaign and will not show up with your general notes in Organic or Advertising Research Reports. Under the Overview tab, you can see the Smart Zoom chart with visibility trend, estimated traffic, average position, and clicking Add, we can add a note for a particular date. Or we can click View All to see all the Google updates for these parameters going all the way back to 2012. We can click the eye icons to hide the individual notes. We can also sort by date. Now let's head to Domain Overview. Click the Domain Analytics section and then the Overview link. Now enter Dominoes.com and click the green Search button. Under the Organic versus Paid Traffic chart is the option to change the timeline, including 1 month, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, and all time. Clicking the red Notes diamond drop-down menu, we can change the types of notes we see. We click one of the red diamonds and see that the sensor detected a high amount of volatility for this specific day, which as digital marketers interested in beating our competition online would be an indication that Google had made some algorithm changes. You can even click Add Note to add our own personal notes. So that's the Notes feature. Use it to make smarter decisions in your digital marketing. See you in the next video.